Imagine a time when Mars was violently reshaped by colossal impacts, so powerful that they melted entire regions of its crust and mantle, creating vast oceans of molten rock. This dramatic chapter in the Red Planet's history has now been confirmed by NASA, revealing astonishing new insights into Mars' ancient interior. Scientists have uncovered evidence that around 4.5 billion years ago, Mars was bombarded by massive rocky bodies, some possibly protoplanets, that struck with such force they liquefied continent-sized portions of the planet's surface and subsurface. These cataclysmic collisions left behind enormous fragments of rock, some measuring up to 4 kilometers across, embedded deep within Mars' mantle. These remnants act like time capsules, preserving a record of the planet's violent beginnings. This groundbreaking discovery was published in the journal Science, made possible by data collected from NASA's InSight lander, which conducted detailed seismic studies of Mars before its mission concluded in 2022. InSight's sensitive instruments detected over 1,300 Marsquakes, and among these, 8 particular quakes provided crucial clues. The seismic waves from these quakes changed speed and direction as they traveled through the mantle, indicating the presence of dense, unusual rock pockets, these ancient impact fragments. But here's where it gets controversial. Unlike Earth, where tectonic plate movements constantly recycle the crust and erase such ancient features, Mars lacks this dynamic activity. This means that these massive impact remnants have survived virtually untouched for billions of years. Lead researcher Konstantinos Charalambous from Imperial College London emphasized, "We've never before seen the interior of a planet with such clarity." The fact that these features remain intact tells us Mars' mantle has evolved very slowly over time. This slow evolution contrasts sharply with Earth's ever-changing geology, raising questions about how planetary interiors develop differently across the solar system. The InSight lander, operated by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, was instrumental in this discovery. From 2018 to 2022, its ultra-sensitive seismometer recorded the seismic activity that allowed scientists to map Mars's internal layers, crust, mantle, and core, with unprecedented detail. By simulating how seismic waves should behave, researchers confirmed that only in specific mantle regions did the waves slow down significantly, pinpointing these dense impact-derived rock pockets. These findings suggest that Mars serves as a rare time capsule, offering a pristine glimpse into the early processes of planetary formation. This is especially valuable because it provides a window into the interiors of other rocky planets that, like Mars, lack plate tectonics, such as Venus and Mercury. Understanding these differences could reshape how we think about planetary evolution and the conditions that lead to habitable worlds. And this is the part most people miss. While Earth's geology is dynamic and constantly renewing, Mars preserves a frozen snapshot of the solar system's violent youth. Could this mean that studying Mars might unlock secrets about the origins of our own planet and others? Or does Mars' geological stagnation limit its potential for hosting life compared to Earth's active surface? These questions remain open for debate. What do you think? Does Mars' preserved interior offer the ultimate key to understanding planetary formation? Or does its lack of tectonic activity make it an outlier in the solar system? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.